we are going to try Costilla County, Colorado. So to do the search we're going to do, you need to go to 69.16.37.111/assessor/taxweb/search.jsp, which is Costilla County account search page. Once you get there, you're going to click on Advanced, and in Subdivision you're going to write Rio, and once you write that, it'll pop up with two choices here. We're doing Rio Grande Ranches, not Rio Grande River, but Rio Grande Ranches. Click on that, and then down here in an actual value, I just put $1 for start and end on $30,000 because we don't want anything more than that. And also click on vacant land under parcel classification. Once you're done there, click search. It'll take a second. Okay. So as you see, we've got a big long list here. If you go all the way to the bottom, which this is 100, you've got 73 pages of these, which is, I would assume 7,300 of them. So that'll take us quite a while to go through. They're in order of what their unit, lot, and block numbers are. So basically, once you're at this point, you can click on the name, and once that pops up, you get a lot of information here. So it's going to be the same thing we're wanting on all of our lists. So you got your first and last name, you got the owner address, which is their mailing address, you've got the land value here, it's got how many acres right over here, and it's got the unit, block, all that stuff, and it's got the parcel number right there. So that's all the stuff we need for our list, and we're going to be right now we're going to be offering, well, I'll write that in an email, but so this is how we're going to get names for Costilla County, Colorado.